Hi guys, my name's Adil and behind me we have something a little bit special. It's a VW T5 California and it's had a rather special audio system fitted to it. But before we jump into that, I want to show you something, guys. So this door's been soundproofed and this door hasn't. So that's very solid there. So it's a lot more solid here. And that's down to the 3-layer soundproofing system that we've added in. But we're going to jump inside the car now and I'm going to have a listen to it and showcase that all and share it with you guys. So even that door, it actually sounds really nice and solid. So let's start her up and see how she sounds. Song number 1. It's a little bit of hip hop, so we're playing via Bluetooth and away we go. So all the factory controls all still work and you use it how you used to, but yeah.
I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive.
Very nice. Very good. Obviously, I don't know how well that comes across on camera, but the positioning of sound is incredible. So song number 2, let's have a quick listen to this. That's pretty good, isn't it? No, you can't see anything. That's really, really good. Yeah, I'm well happy. Its presence is definitely there. It's also a quick way of getting a nice massage as well, which is quite nice. So it's time to try something a little bit more scientific, and we can actually showcase. We're going to be doing a bass test for you.
A good set of speakers will go as low as 20 hertz.
So it's 190 hertz. 160, 140, 100, 80, 70. 50, 40, 30. So the graph on the left is showing the frequency range. And as you can see, that peak that's moving towards the left-hand side is actually showing what's being played. And later on, you're going to see where it drops off at around 45 hertz. So for the graph on the right, it shows the frequency response. This graph is designed to show imperfections, but as you can see, it's really smooth, which is perfect. There's no imperfections, which means the response is really good. I'm going to jump out now. I'm going to walk around and showcase exactly where all the new speakers are. Right, so let's start off then by talking about the door. Inside the door, what we've actually done is fully soundproof the vehicle. We remove the actual door card itself. Once that's actually been removed, we then start the soundproofing process. As you heard, the massive difference that you get from before and after, like we showed you with that knock test. So let's walk around now and I'll show you the actual tweeters. So right on top of the dashboard, what we've actually got here is a Audison VOCE tweeter. This deals with all those higher frequencies. So this side, our client didn't want to take up any room. What have we done? We actually sat down with our client, myself and my colleague. We went through quite a few different options really on what our client wanted. We could have put these 2 amplifiers all around the car. We could have gone behind the seats. We could have gone towards the back of the vehicle. But one space that we kind of in discussion we came across was the glove box. So our client didn't use the glove box too much. So in here, these are 2 amplifiers. So they are the Audison Forza range of amplification. So the Forza 8.9 and the Forza 1D. So I've just popped this seat forward so you can see a little bit more about what we've done. In terms of the actual sub itself, so this is an Audison Prima 10-inch sub. Plus we've also bolted it down here as well, and this gives it a lot more bass transfer through into the vehicle, which is really impressive. Obviously, as you heard earlier, it sounds absolutely incredible and I'm really happy with the final results. So after that entire process of actually installing all the new equipment, we needed to tune it, and that's a very important part. We customize the sound to our client's music taste, and that's where choosing the products during that audio consultation is so important. Getting them inch perfect, then getting the tuning perfect, so we deliver the perfect result for our client. I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the finished result. I am, our team are, and it's ready to hit the road. Another vehicle with the Cambridge Car Audio treatment. My name's Adil. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.